going to show you how to make a cocktail called a Rosier. We're going to start off with some ice. Pour this into your glass, just like so. Then we're going to add to that 2 ounces of light rum. Any brand of rum will do, so just pick your favorite. I like to go with whatever's on sale. All right. Not that I go through a lot of it or anything. All right, next we're going to add in 1 de cacao, not to be confused with light creme de cacao, and 1 splash of cherry brandy. Oop, just a splash. Okay, we're going to go ahead and shake this up. And last but not least, we're going to strain this into our cocktail glass. Now, what you can do to chill your cocktail glass first, this is a lot of fun, just put some ice and a little bit of water in your cocktail glass. Let that sit while you're mixing your cocktail, and then right before you strain it, pour it out, and you've got yourself a nice chilled cocktail glass for your Rosier. Cheers.